Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to Maggie B's Family TV. So we are continuing the journey that we started last week, and we said it's going to be on episodes, and we had one episode already which is called transformation, right?
Yep.
No, it was two we have. Then one was YouTube intro and the other one was transformation, and this one is going to be called DIY. It's going to be DIY summer beach and net blouse, because I saw it when I was going to Nigeria. So watch how I saw it, and you will see you will see me when I was looking a little bit big or when I was big.
But you look beautiful that time as well.
Thank you so much. So let's see it out, and that video will introduce itself and it's going to be explained. So if you like it, let me know so I can also do other DIY top. Yeah, I just did that because I was going to Nigeria. You know how hot that place is, and to let you know, many things I did in Nigeria will be shared here. So let's watch it. Hello dear and lovely friends, welcome back. Welcome. Today I will be making a summer top. I know that for some of you is your first time seeing me doing that, but don't worry, I also do my best in that field as well. I will be going to Africa. I was like, why not do a summer top or dresses? So this is what I'll be showing you. I will be making a couple of them, and probably if I wore them in Africa, I will also make some videos and show you guys. So I will show you a slide now, and if you like it, keep watching. And it is just a fast top and you may love to do it yourself. So watch the slide and then we'll come back to cutting and sewing it, which will take roughly about 10 minutes. These are what you need to do this top. You will need your chalk, you will need your measurements, you will need your ruler, you may need some pins. Okay, let's go on to cutting it. The measurement I need is 31, which I have while my fabric is folded. You see, my fabric is folded. And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to fold the fabric again, because now I have it in hamburger style, so I'm going to fold it again. Okay, I'll fold it. Let me shift it a little bit here more. The fabric is now in 4. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. Why is it like that? Because I flip it again this way, so I have to arrange it properly. Then I will tell you the length that I will need. I have 27. Okay, 27. So having this 27, and I mentioned that before, the length is 31, so I'm just going to cut out the rest here. So you watch, I will just cut it out. This is all the length that I need. I may use this one for my daughter later. Having these two like this, I'm going to mark 8 inches or 9 inches, but I'm going to mark 8 inches. Okay, you see that 8 inches. So here will be my armhole. I will just pin it down. And then I will also mark 8 inches in the remaining 2 sides. 8 inches. I will mark it Okay, then, and I pin. The places that I pin, I'm going to run them down in the machine. Mind you, this is the back of the fabric, okay? And from here, from the close side, you see, I'll be cutting out the neckline. So the neckline, I'm going to measure 8 as well, just to make it round figure. I will measure 8. I can use 7, but let me just take 8, yeah? And then the deepness, I will take 4. 8 and 4, and then I will curve it from here. I go over the neck again. 8 inches, you can see, is marked. 8 inches, 4 inches, marked. 4 inches, marked, marked. And then from here, 1 inches, marked, yeah? So 4 inches marked like that. Like I said, I connect all the dots together. But if you want to make it wider, you can make it wider so that you can drop. We need a longer hand. So like here, I just dip it a little bit, so I will cut. You can make the neck even straight if you like, if you want to. Okay. One thing I would like to measure though, if you are not putting elastic on the neckline, so here we measure 8 inches, and instead of 8 inches, if you are not using elastic, you can just measure like 6 inches. Okay, and then instead of going depth of 4 inches, you can just take ½ inches or 1 inches maximum. Okay, when you are using a net fabric like this. So this is what I want to point out, and that is all. So what you have to do is you just hem it, you add your elastic, then you sew here. If you want to hem the edge, you hem the edge. If you want to leave it, you leave it, and our fabric is done. So I will show you how I hem it and how I put my elastic and wear it also for you. So that is all for the cutting. This is where we have the armhole, and I will just cut it, and I will do the same to the other side, which I've done already. I've sewn this also. So the next thing is the neckline. First of all, I'm going to hem the neckline, okay? This is the elastic I'm using. It's 17 inches. I wanted to pin it like it will be hanging out like this. I may still do it so it will look like design. So we are going to sew it like that. This is how I'm going to pin it. You see, when I pin it, you will be seeing it like this. Yeah, you'll be seeing it like this. So this is how I want it to be. So when I finish, you will see that. So let me go and run it all in the machine, and you will see me when I dress with it.
I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel
Thank
And don't
you.
forget to give us thumbs up. And also, please share it with your friends and family.
Yes, so thank you very much for watching. We love you and see you in the next stop or in the next episode. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.